Peace Divines, welcome to My Talk Avenue, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And today I'm making a smoothie, and the ingredients I'm going to use some blueberries. I'm also going to use some bananas. I'm also going to use some cinnamon and cacao. I'm going to use some coconut cream and vanilla extract. I'm also using some dates and some lemon and some beet greens. And I'm using some water, but of course I recommend coconut water. And so I'm going to pour the water in, then the blueberries, then the greens, and the banana, and the cinnamon, and cacao, and coconut cream, and vanilla, and dates, and lemon, and chia seeds. And now we're going to blend it up. And as you can see, it came out so beautiful. And now we're going to try it. It's good. It's really good. I love it. I definitely think you should try it. And as always, Divines, continue to be blessed, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, Divines.